Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Folding a NordicTrack elliptical is a simple process that saves a lot of floor space in your home gym. Many popular models like the Space Saver series feature a folding design. First, make sure the machine is completely unplugged and the power cord is tucked away safely. Clear any objects from the surrounding area to prevent tripping. Stand at the rear of the elliptical near the base frame. Locate the lifting handle situated just below the pedals. Grip the handle firmly with both hands. Lift the rear of the machine upward toward the console. You will feel the weight shift as the frame pivots on its wheels. Continue lifting until you hear a clear clicking sound from the locking mechanism. This latch ensures the machine stays in a vertical position. Test the stability by giving it a gentle shake. To unfold the unit, you must first release the locking pin or latch. This is usually located near the center of the frame. Hold the handle tightly while you release the lock. Slowly lower the rear frame back down to the floor. Do not let it drop quickly because this could damage the frame or your floor. Once the frame is flat, ensure it is steady before you start your next workout. These steps help you manage your workout space efficiently. Always check your specific manual for unique latch designs on older models. Taking care of the frame during this process will extend the life of your equipment. Now your elliptical is stored safely and ready for your next session. This storage method keeps your home organized.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.